Which alignment looks better to you? The text using center alignment? Left alignment? Or right alignment? Each has their own place in layout and design. How do we determine which one to use? In this layout, we have our subject matter, the woman, off to the left. When designing layouts, it's best to follow the subject matter's direction. We can align to the left, against the model, all of our text elements. This is going with the flow of design and makes for a compelling layout. In this example, I'm using center alignment for all of the text elements, including the website. You will notice this nice block of white space to give breathing room in between the different elements. Notice that the design commits to a nice, clear alignment throughout the piece, striking a nice balance that is pleasing to the eye. When you have a bold photo or subject matter in your design, it is wise to embrace that image and highlight it by placing the main headline text over the subject matter. It is all about playing around with what feels right. This is where being subjective as a designer is really rewarded. It's not until I flip the shoe in reverse and have the shoe tucked perfectly in the font to the left that I feel like the layout really starts to work. You will notice the shoe overlapping the E in life as the text and the photo become one. This is an extreme example of this in action. You will notice the main subject matter almost jumping through the text and interacting with it in a dramatic way. Text and photos do not have to fight each other, but can blend to become one unified layout and design. We do not always have access to the perfect photo, but with proper fonts and typography design, we can make a design relevant and still have impact. Using color, italics to highlight words helps the type become the design itself, instead of having to rely on graphics and photos 100% of the time. White space is so important. Do not underestimate its impact on the viewer's mood when seeing a design piece. This is a great example of white space. The next one struggles to breathe, and therefore it struggles to make the viewer feel at peace with the beautiful photography behind it. I'm taking this poster design and scaling back the font size to give more breathing room and white space between the elements. It's already starting to feel better, isn't it? I dare say that typography is one of the most important elements in design today.